My god, are you guys kidding me? Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very interesting to show you all. It's a brand new wireless gaming headset from Logitech G and this is something special guys. I've been eagerly waiting for this model to launch in India because they've been teasing it a lot and it's finally in the house. So this is Logitech G's brand new G435 wireless gaming headset and the special thing about this model is it's an ultra lightweight wireless gaming headset guys. Seriously, when you put it on now, you won't even feel like there's actually a gaming headset on top of you. That lightweight compared to the other models. And apart from that, it does have some other interesting features as well. Like I've told you, right, it's a wireless model. So it does include both Bluetooth as well as wireless adapter function and comes in beautiful color options guys. So today in this video we're gonna unbox and see what this thing actually offers for the price point. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here's our brand new wireless gaming headset from Logitech G, the G435. Comes in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you guys, the main idea behind this model was to offer you great comfort. You got the Logitech G branding over here, the model mentioned, and even has a picture of the product on the front. And best part is this wireless gaming headset supports both Bluetooth technology and their 2.4G light speed wireless adapter as well. So I'm very excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Now going to the backside guys, you've got some details about the product mentioned over here. We'll just come back to this and talk about them at a later part in the video. First, let's get started with the unboxing. So this model is actually available in three different colors. We have the standard black color edition that comes with beautiful neon accents on it. So without wasting any more time, let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the package. There you go. As soon as you open the package, we've got a mini accessory box at the top. Wonder what's inside this. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And along with that guys, here's the headset we've been waiting for. And looks like that is pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box. So guys, before we actually talk about the headset and give you all a closer look, let me show you all the accessories. So you get the accessories in this box. You get a 2.4G light speed wireless adapter using which you can connect the headset to your PC, consoles or Mac systems. And you also get a Type-C cable for charging the headset. That's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally have a closer look at the headset and talk about the design. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This thing is super lightweight guys, weighs only around 165 grams. I've never seen a headset this light till now. Very nice. Design also looks pretty attractive guys. You've got the Logitech G branding model mentioned over here. And man, just look at those yellow accents on this whole black themed body. Very attractive guys. I like this design. And as I've told you, main concept was to offer you ultra comfort, keeping the headset at very lightweight. So it does have a bit of flexibility as you can see, but they do not swivel completely. But the headband on it is easily adjustable to fit almost any head size. It's entirely covered in a fabric like material to offer you a good comfortable experience at the top also. And as you can see, this is how you can easily slide it. And oh boy, look at that spring movement also. Very nice, right? So on the left ear cup is where you got all the buttons and ports on it guys, the main buttons. Let me give you a closer look and talk about that. You got a tiny status LED indicator, a power button is there, volume up and down rocker, and below that you got a microphone mute function available and a Type-C port for charging the headset. That's it. These are all the available ports on it. And you see these two mics over here. It's got built-in dual beamforming microphones. And Logitech has removed unnecessary attachments to make it much more convenient for using. There's nothing on the other ear cup. And talking about the ear pads guys, well, this thing actually comes with memory foam ear cushions covered in a fabric material to offer you a great and comfortable experience. And on board it's got 40mm drivers. We'll talk about the audio and comfort in a moment. So what I'll do is I'll quickly put them on and then we'll get started with that part. The G435 are incredibly lightweight guys, seriously you won't even feel like you're actually wearing a gaming headset, and the fit is also perfect. It's got memory foam cushions and feel quite comfortable to wear. Noise isolation is also decent, and since it has a breathable fabric covered ear pads, the heat was also minimum, so I could easily game for long sessions without taking breaks. Alright, so let me tell you about the connectivity part. It's a wireless gaming headset that supports both Bluetooth and Lightspeed wireless technology. Lightspeed wireless adapter works on your PC, Mac systems, or even consoles like PS4 and PS5. And using Bluetooth, you can pair any compatible devices like your smartphones or tabs. And best part is, you can also switch between Bluetooth and Lightspeed on the go by pressing the power button for about 3 seconds. Super convenient, right? And talking about the sound, first of all, let me tell you the G435 headset features Logitech's 40mm tuned drivers and supports Dolby Atmos as well. So I've been using the headset since the past week, and let me tell you, the audio quality was great on this headset. The mids felt crispy, vocal clarity was nice, and I could easily hear and understand all the dialogues, either it be game or a movie. High frequency response also nice, was producing smooth treble, and talking about the bass was also good. But to be honest, I was actually expecting a bit more punchy bass. And sounds like gun firings, bomb blastings, and stuff like that felt pretty good on the headset. On the overall, it was doing a good job, and I'm pretty sure you'll be satisfied for the price point. One more thing, as I've told you at the beginning, guys, the headset is also compatible with Dolby Atmos and Tempest 3D audio tech. On my usage, I noticed the sound stage was wide and stereo separation is also good, and you could easily identify enemy movements based on the direction of their footsteps. Great audio performance, and most of the time I was using it via the Lightspeed wireless mode only, and I didn't face any sort of lag or connectivity issues over here. But on Bluetooth while gaming, you might feel like little bit of delay in the audio, but on Lightspeed wireless adapter, nothing. Very good performance. Okay, time to do a quick microphone test on this headset, and as I've told you at the beginning, the G435 actually features like on-board dual beamforming microphones with the background noise cancellation, and the audio that you're hearing right now is through this microphone only on the headset. Hello, check 1 2 3. So guys, what do you think about the audio quality on this gaming headset? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me tell you, since there is no boom microphone stick or any sort of attachments, right? Everything feels like so convenient. I don't have to worry about the position of the microphone or adjusting it and things like that. Anyways, let me know about the audio quality. What do you think in the comment section down below? One more thing I have to mention is the headset doesn't support any apps or softwares, so you can't do any audio tweaking or EQ customizations over here. Anyways, we are almost coming to an end, guys, so let's talk about the battery life. Battery life was very good on the headset. The brand said that it can offer up to 18 hours of battery life, but on my usage, I was actually getting around 19 to 20 hours of battery life, that too on a single charge, which was pretty awesome. So that's it, our video on Logitech G's new wireless gaming headset, the G435. Ultra lightweight, offers great comfort and sound, and excellent battery life. The only thing I felt is build quality of the headset could have been a bit better for the price tag because it looks a bit plasticky, and wish it had EQ customization support as I've told you just now. The headset costs around 7,495 rupees in India. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything about the product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.